Healthy, holistic living. Healthy living. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says that lack of sleep is a public health problem. And they've spent a lot of money and a lot of sleepless nights trying to find a solution. Plants and a good night's sleep. Natural medication. Relaxation techniques. A better mattress. And exotic teas. These healthy solutions work for most people. But if they don't work for you, there's no need to panic. There's still another solution. NASA conducted an extensive study on the calming effects of plants and their ability to purify the environment by removing toxins. Their benefits include better air quality, stress relief, reduced anxiety, headache relief, a better mood, prevention of colds and other illnesses, improved brain function, and improved sleep. Here are the 5 best plants to put in your bedroom to help you sleep. Aloe vera, lavender, jasmine, snake plant, English ivy. So, what are you waiting for? Why not put one in your bedroom and see if it helps you sleep better? Would you like to find out more about how to improve your sleep and your health? Then follow us on Facebook and visit our website. We are looking forward to seeing you.